Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a revolutionary product that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. Introducing the Blue Handheld Mini Blinds Cleaner Shutters and Curtain Brush Dust Remover. This amazing gadget is designed to clean all types of blinds, including washable and rust-proof insert mini blind cleaners. With 7 removable microfiber sleeves, this cleaner is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places, such as air conditioning vents, car vents, and fan shutters. The best part about this mini blinds cleaner is its ease of use. Simply move the cleaner back and forth to wipe your blinds clean, and when the roller becomes dirty, just twist it to expose a new cleaning surface. When it becomes completely soiled, remove it and wash off using mild soap and warm water. It's that easy. The Blue Handheld Mini Blinds Cleaner is lightweight and detachable, making it a convenient and versatile tool for all your cleaning needs. The special microfiber fibers strongly attract and hold dust, so you won't have to worry about it dropping hair or rubbing off. So, if you're tired of struggling to clean your blinds and other hard-to-reach areas, then this product is perfect for you. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Blue Handheld Mini Blinds Cleaner Shutters and Curtain Brush Dust Remover today. Don't miss out on this incredible cleaning gadget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome product reviews.